a web of unnecessary loans. To deceptively strangle a country with burdens it cannot.
तू राज़े कुन फका है, अपनी आंखों पर आया हो जा। तू राज़े कुन फका है, अपनी आंखों पर आया हो जा। खुदी का रास्ता हो जा, खुदा का तर्जुमा हो जा। आगे बढ़ते हुए अब मैं दावत दूंगा अपने ओ लेवल के तलबा को जो अंग्रेजी जुबान में पाकिस्तान के बिगड़े हुए हालात पर एक खाका पेश करेंगे। इस खाके का मकसद पाकिस्तानी कौम को हकीकी आज़ादी की तरफ मुतवज्जे करना है, ताकि हर मुहिब्बे वतन पाकिस्तानी इस उजड़े हुए चमन को संवारने में अपने हिस्से की शम्मा जला सके। तो स्टेज पर तशरीफ लाते हैं ज़िया और उनके साथ।
This is the story of Pakistan, a country that is surrounded by enemies, foreign powers, which are hoping to satisfy their self-interest, greed, and malicious political desires. The weak and innocent Pakistan is shackled by foreign debt, vested interests, and exploitation of natural resources at the hands of global empire builders.
Leave! What are you doing?
The IMF forcibly ensnares Pakistan into a web of unnecessary loans to deceptively strangle a country with burdens it cannot carry.
Hey, leave Pakistan! Leave my country! Leave Pakistan! Hey, we are the people of Pakistan! Leave my country! Leave Pakistan! What? Hey, leave my country! What are you doing in my country? Hey, people of Pakistan!
When Pakistani citizens try to help their country, the IMF silences them by blinding the people with money.
Hey, leave my country, please. Leave my country. Please, leave my country. Oh, my people, I need you. I need your help. My people, come for my help.
Why should I help you? I love my mother. She was everything to me. But when she got ill, I took her to the government hospital, but the incompetent doctors couldn't diagnose her properly. And now, she is gone. And you want me to help you? I'm not gonna help you.
Oh, people of Pakistan, I need you. Come for my help.
You want me to help you? I had a multi-million rupees business, but today I am bust just because of you and your stupid policies. I had better if I had invested in a foreign land. I'm not gonna help you.
Please. Please, oh Pakistanis.
Why should I come to assistance? What is it that you did for us? Since 1947, our forefathers sacrificed much for you, but most of it to no avail. Say if you come to your assistance, oh come on, give me a break. Look at my clothing, I am dressed in tatters. I can't even afford 2 meals a day. All because of you. I'm never gonna help you.
Pakistan's own citizens have turned against it for the sake of personal greed and benefit, and left their country unattended. With no one to support, the vested powers seized control and bent Pakistan on its knees to satisfy their self-interests and geopolitical desires, manipulating our innocent Pakistan.
What have the people of Pakistan done to it?
And all this is done by none other than Pakistan's own citizens, Pakistanis, leaving Pakistan in the autumn of despair, helpless as always. And that is the reason why today Pakistan has got a message for all of us, for collective awareness to alert us of the critical position we have brought our country to.
Oh my people, oh people of Pakistan, what have you done? What has all this come to? The country which gave you independence, the country for which your forefathers gave their lives, and today you have destroyed it. You have destroyed it. Tell me the truth. Who wants to reside in me? Somebody is going to China, somebody is going to UK, and somebody is going to America. Nobody wishes to live in Pakistan. Go and ask those countries who are still facing difficulties. Go and ask those who are still shaken by occupation. Go and ask those Palestinians what hell they are going through. Oh people of Pakistan, you are free. You are free. Come to the assistance of Pakistan. Come for aid. And if today you do not lend your hands, I will perish. We all will perish. Pakistan will perish.
मेरे वतन ये अकीदत और प्यार तुझ पे निसार कर दूं। मेरे वतन ये अकीदत और प्यार तुझ पे निसार कर दूं। मोहब्बतों के ये सिलसिले बेशुमार तुझ पे निसार कर दूं। मेरे वतन मेरे वतन मेरे वतन मेरे बस में हो तो तेरी हिफाजत करूं मैं ऐसे खिज़ा से तुझको बचा के रखूं। बाहर तुझ पे निसार कर दूं। मेरे वतन